Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most common problems in the 97 to 01 Jeep Cherokee XJs. A loose center console. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. I just wanted to show you guys that I did in fact chalk my wheels. If you know, you know. So I've never been in a newer XJ that did not have this problem, and it's actually a really cheap and easy fix. All you need to do is remove a few screws and you can lift the whole console out of the way, and you can replace the cheap plastic bracket with a new improved solid metal one. Now there's a lot of companies that make replacement brackets. Me personally, I ordered mine from Barnes 4-wheel drive. It's nice, it's solid, and it's only about $30. Now, mine did come as bare steel. I do believe some of the other manufacturers might have theirs powder coated for a little bit more money, but I just went with bare steel because all I'm going to do is paint it, slap it in there. It's never going to be seen. It doesn't have to look pretty. Now, like I said, this is a plastic bracket that is in there currently, and this nice solid metal one is sturdy. Should last longer than my actual XJ. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that our parking brake is completely set and we have chalked our wheels. So I'm going to do that now. So the next thing we're going to want to do is put our transmission shifter into the neutral position and pull the shift lever for the 4-wheel drive, if you have it, all the way into the 4-low position. A 3-foot level is not a necessary tool, but it's going to work for me. That way I don't have to walk over there and move my camera. Push down on the brake pedal and neutral. And also gonna shift all the way into 4-low. It's amazing how easy that thing shifts with my new Azzi's Designs shift linkage. If you're interested in an Azzi's Design shift linkage, don't forget to check out one of the links in the description below. I tried to do a video on it a while back and I had some camera issues, but trust me, it's amazing. So with our shift lever all the way in the neutral position, now we need to remove the shift knob itself. Now it might be a little tough to remove, but just use a little bit of brute force, it should come off there. Just make sure that you're in neutral, you depress the button, and it should come straight off. I almost hit myself in the face. So with our shift knob removed, we're going to go ahead and pry up this shift bezel. Just completely remove it. There's nothing really holding it in except for a little bit of clips. Just be careful when you're prying it up and it should come off. Perfect. Also, there should be a light attached there. It just popped off really easy. It's laying over there as you can see. So the next thing you're going to want to do is move this bezel for your transfer case shifter. Same thing, it just pops off. There should be a bulb under here, but I think mine's loose. So with those bezels out of the way, we can go ahead and remove the 2 hidden screws that are underneath them. There should be one right here, as well as one right here. Now with those 2 screws removed, it's time to move on to the center console itself. So we're just going to go ahead and open this up, and there should be 2 screws in the bottom of this console here. Go ahead and remove those. Now at this point, your center console should be loose enough that you should be able to just lift it up and out of the way enough that you can reach in there and get what you need to get done. Now I'm actually going to go ahead and fish this out and remove the whole thing. It is not necessary to do so. I'm just going to do it so that you guys can see more clearly what's going on. Once again, not necessary to completely remove it. You can reach everything you need to reach just by lifting this up. So now that we've reached this point, we can clearly see that this bracket has seen better days. It is officially broken. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove the 3 screws that hold this in. There should be one back here towards the back of the bracket, one towards the front of the bracket, and one kind of on the side over here underneath this carpet. We're just going to go ahead and remove those. This bracket is no longer good. If you really want to, you can just break it out, chuck it out of the way, and you no longer have to worry about it. Where did all this dirt come from? And with all that done, you can just set your bracket in here just like this. And you want the shorter arm of the two facing forward, the longer arm in the back, and the slanted one on the side. Now, according to the instructions from Barnes, you want to start with the screw in the back to help you align everything and then work your way forward. Now, with our bracket all the way tightened, your kit should have come with some clips that look like these. These here, you're just going to slide over your holes, and this is what your screws that go in the console are going to attach to. Make sure that when you're installing these, you install them with the larger hole towards the top and the smaller hole towards the bottom. And now that our bracket is installed, all you have to do is reinstall your parts the same way that you remove them. I just want to repeat once again that it's not absolutely necessary to completely remove the console. All you should have to do is lift the console up and out of the way a bit, and you should be able to reach everything that you need. Once again, I just did this so that way you guys can see clearly what was going on. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on Instagram at It's Project Venture, as well as the Tickety Talk at It's Project Venture. Thanks for watching. Time to go to Ramon's.